Viskou.
So let us start this workshop. So today for the topic of this workshop is Ruijie Wireless Bridge and also 4G, 5G industrial router. So for my part, I will in charge of introduce about the wireless bridge and later introduce about the 4G and 5G industrial router. So first of all, why do we need Ruijie Wireless Bridge? So there are some reasons. This is because maybe due to some complex environment that we unable to do the cabling, or maybe due to long distance. For the application scenario of wireless bridge, we can install it at elevator, tower crane, scenic area, or transportation, factory campus, or also community or countryside. The villagers they live in rural area, and usually in rural area their internet is mostly very poor one. Their houses are scattered, so internet service provider also not willing to cover all their home by cabling. So first of all, this is one of our Ruijie wireless bridge, RGEST 310. So for this 310 ESD wireless bridge, it consists of 5 GHz of Wi-Fi, and it also provides IP54 protection. And for this wireless bridge, it has 100 megabyte port. Its connection can up to 1 kilometer without shelter. So as we can see that at the bottom of this wireless bridge, it can power 12 volt DC port. Other than that, it can also power out through by the connection of passive PoE to the fast internet port. And besides that, this wireless bridge is also consists of the reset pin hole. So besides that, for our Ruijie Reyee Wireless Bridge, we also have signal strength indicator, which represent the signal, either this signal is low, weak, moderate, or very strong. Our wireless bridge can be installed at elevator. This is because in the elevator, cables they are not easy to install in elevator. Due to the elevator up and down, it will cause the cable spread. So this is the example of installation of RGEST 310 in the elevator bridge. So just now we talked about for this 310 wireless, it also provides 5 GHz of anti-interference, and we can also do the remote maintenance through our Ruijie cloud. So this is an example of our 310 wireless bridge installed in Ruijie Nevada Hotel Bandung. Besides, we got our RGEST 310, we got another product which is RGEST 350. Just now 310 it only got one LAN port, but for this 350 it got 2 gigabit ports. Just now it's only 100 Mbps port. And same as the 310, it also got the signal status indicator. And for this 350, it also comes with one pair for the camera and an NVRN. So for our wireless bridge, how can it be powered? It can be powered by two ways, either with 12 volts DC or using passive PoE with the PoE injector. So for our EST350, its wireless data transmission can up to 5 km. Besides that, the capacity of cameras connected to our wireless bridge can up to 45 cameras. For 5 km, it can connect up to 22 MP cameras. So for our wireless bridge, it consists of 3 connection modes. One is back to back, the second one is connected to the camera, and the third mode is connected back to the switch. So besides that, our wireless bridge is also reliable. It consists of V0 level flame retardant, and it has IP54 weatherproof, and its operating temperature can up to -30 to 65 degrees. Besides that, our wireless bridge connection is also convenient. It will be automatic pairing and also can plug and play. So for our EST 310 and 350, it can also install in tower crane. Tower crane area, some blind area will cause a safety incident, require CCTV, and crane arms will be always moving, and it causes that we are unable to use the fixed cable. Besides that, our wireless bridge can also install at the transportation, because due to long distance and distributed cameras to use fiber, which will incur very huge costs, and it is also difficult to do the cable maintenance. Other than that, such as also the factory campus, it is also a quite complex environment, and for factory campus, the distributed cameras that are also not suitable to do the cabling. Another one is the scenic area, which it is very far from city, so it is not easy for us to go to the on-site maintenance, and due to it is outdoor environment, it is complicated and also not suitable to do the cabling. So for our wireless bridge, it can be automatic. It can be connected to our Ruijie cloud to automatic pairing, and inside our Ruijie cloud we are also able to see the real-time capacity of the wireless bridge. Besides that, we also do the testing with our 350 wireless bridge with other brand of the wireless bridge. We do the 2 km testing, 5 km and also 5 km testing. So this is one of the success case of the installation of our wireless bridge in Viskou. Besides that, other cases like Titania Superstores. So our next product is A Metro series wireless bridge, which it is more stable and much more easier. So for our long system point to multiple wireless bridge, we consist of one base station, which is A Metro 550G-B, and for our base station, it must pair with our antenna. For our antenna, we consist of 3 types, which is ANT13, which it can receive the signal in 300 degrees, and 16S in 120 degrees, and also 20S in 90 degrees. And for the CPE part, we have the A Metro product, which is 660G, which consists of gigabit port and also 460F. So for the application scenario of this PTMP wireless bridge, it able to provide internet access for residential area or commercial buildings. It also able to send back the CCTV data from the construction site. So for the connection of our PTMP wireless bridge, maximum connection it can connect up to 32 CPE. And for our CPE, it can also act as a transmitter and receiver, and it can connect to each other in the range of 15 km. So for the installation of this PTMP wireless bridge, we will be curious about there are many separate survey tools, and it is time consuming to make a professional report. And for the installation part, we might need at least 2 people to do the alignment and also do the optimization. And after the post stage, we also need to do the project delivery due to unstable performance and also maintenance. Provide AI heat map for the bridge that you can do the site survey instead of you have to go to the site there to do the configuration. So other than that, with our Ruijie cloud, which provide also bridge alignment tool, it will provide real-time signal view and also sound pro. All can be done by 1 people only. But with our Ruijie cloud, it provides automatic channel interference scanning and also optimization recommended. So as we can see that for all the configuration and optimization of the wireless bridge, all it can be done in our Ruijie Reyee cloud. It is very easy and convenient. For overall, this is our Ruijie Reyee Wireless Bridge product line. So for the point-to-point part, we have the ESD100 and also the A Metro 460. And for the point-to-multi-point part, we got the 310 and also 350. So for this is the Ruijie A Metro series for our outdoor CCTV scenario, which consists of 1 base station and 1 antenna, but 3 types of antenna, which is in 90 degree, 120 degree, and also 360 degree. Before previously, we all using P2P, so it require pair to pair, so it require many wireless bridge device. But after that, after we got proposed point to multi-point, can just install 1 base station and pair with 32 of CPE. Besides that, the Ruijie A Metro series is also suitable for multi-point connection. With 1 click, it can pair automatically within 30 seconds.
Okay, so hi everyone. I'm the one who's going to talk about the 4G and 5G industrial grade routers. So our Viskou, we already brought in our brand, which is the Mercilix. So this is one of our new brand for this 4G and 5G industrial grade routers. Just to share the information to you guys, so we already officially launched this and we have keep stock for the 4G routers already. It's not only the industrial grade, so it also support like the VPN, the cloud device management, and we have these 1-year warranties. And plus on, we already applied for the IMDA certified. Okay, so for the first models I'm going to bring to you guys, which is this. This is a value series. It's a value series plug and play 4G industrial grade routers. This consists of a single SIM slot, and also this is considered have this 4 LAN port and 1 WAN port. Okay, and then this have the 2 antennas for the SIM card and 2 antennas for the Wi-Fi. Yeah, so this 4G router including the Wi-Fi as well. Okay, so the next models, which is this 477. Okay, so for this, actually, this is what is the difference between these models and just now the value series. First of all, this is dual SIM. Both of them actually support for the 4G LTE Cat4, yeah. And then this is able to support the VPN. Yeah, so just now the models cannot support VPN. So these models, which is the 477, able to support VPN. This is only 2 ports. 2 ports, one LAN and 1 WAN. And also it's actually is a switchable. And then add on, this actually have this RS232 and RS485. Yeah, this is for the data transmission. So thank you for you guys to joining for our workshop today.
Viskou.